Welcome to this AnalyzerPro tutorial. In this tutorial we will deal with vehicle data. You can open the vehicle data via the icon with the red car. It opens up the input window for the respective party involved. In the left area you can state the name, the manufacturer, etc. and choose the right vehicle type. The different vehicle types are listed in the drop-down menu. Depending on your choice, default values are automatically loaded for the respective vehicle type and 2D and 3D depictions are adapted. The middle area features input fields to insert geometric vehicle data. AnalyzerPro is equipped with a comprehensive vehicle database, which you can open with a click on Database. First you have to choose the manufacturer from the list on the top. You can, for example, press the letter V to jump to all vehicles produced by a manufacturer starting with this letter. Alternatively, you can use the search bar in the lower area where you can specify several parameters. I can, for example, enter A4 to search for an Audi A4. Here, I have of course several variants again and could narrow down the search with further parameters. In our case, I will choose one Audi A4 now and click on Load to confirm my selection. Then the program loads several geometric parameters and manufacturer and name are registered. Please note that the vehicle database does not feature any data relevant for driving dynamics. You only have the geometric data here, which is of course absolutely sufficient for kinematical calculations. In case you would like to perform a calculation on driving dynamics, you need to enter the data separately. Vehicles are displayed with a silhouette only by default. However, you have the possibility to load a DXF. AnalyzerPro is equipped with a basic DXF database, a more comprehensive one can be ordered from third-party providers. You click on 2D model, the file browser opens up and you can go to the DXF database. It is, for example, located in your installation file. See Recon AnalyzerPro 18. Under 2D DXF you can here, for example, choose passenger cars and search for a DXF, for example Audi. As I have selected an Audi A4 before in the vehicle database, I will also choose it here as a DXF. You can see that a preview is displayed in the lower area of the window. The red line corresponds with your geometric data. Now it could be the case that the red line does not exactly match with the vehicle DXF. For example, because the DXF was scaled in the wrong way or because the geometric data contains too small values. In order to customize the DXF now, please click on Scale DXF. The DXF is automatically adapted to the geometric values you have specified before. As a second step, you should click on Fit Contour. Then the outline of the vehicle is adapted to the DXF. This is important for collision analysis, as the red line also represents the external border of the vehicle. If you trust the geometric data less than the DXF, you can also click on Fit Contour first, then the geometric data of the main dataset is adapted to the DXF and not the other way around. Moreover, you can also load a 3D model for your vehicle. In your Analyzer file, you can also find a file with 3D models in which you can select the respective model and load it. As already mentioned before, the data concerning the driving dynamics have to be stated separately if needed. In this case, please click on Driving Dynamics Data and specify the related parameters like spring stiffness, structural stiffness, etc. here. If your vehicle has a trailer, check the box next to the right type of trailer and define it with a click on the arrow pointing to the right. When you are done with defining your vehicle, you can switch to the next vehicle on the bottom right, either with the arrows to the left and right or directly via the drop-down menu. Please note that vehicles are only displayed in AnalyzerPro if distance time data is deposited for them. The reason for this is explained in the next tutorial. And new in AnalyzerPro from version 19, is a complete synchronization with the Autoview database. Use the DXF Path button to specify your path to the Autoview database. If you now look at the list of vehicles for which a DXF was found in the Autoview database, are highlighted in green. If you now click on a vehicle, the additionally stored bitmap is also displayed. When loading, not only the geometric data is transferred, but also the corresponding DXF is automatically loaded. This saves you one work step. Thank you for watching.